Visit LionDogAfricanSafaris.com for more information on the ultimate African safari experience. We touch on Africa, the country of Tanzania, which is the most diverse country in the entire continent of Africa. We also touch on the spectacular weather of Tanzania, when is the best time to visit. The Northern Park Circuit, including the Serengeti and the Ngorongoro Crater, including a talk on accommodations. The Maasai, the tribe of the warrior cattle herders. Mount Kilimanjaro, a trek to the top of the tallest mountain in Africa. Stonetown, the historic town of Stonetown on the exotic island of Zanzibar. And just talk on the vintage accommodations available in Stonetown. Also the idyllic beach resorts on the island of Zanzibar. And also a talk on the resort accommodations available. Also the Selous Game Reserve, the largest game reserve in the world. And also on the rustic accommodations available at the Selous. Photo safaris for the photo and video buffs. For the primate lovers, we also have mountain gorillas in Rwanda. Also, Victoria Falls on the Zambian and Zimbabwe borders. A little talk about Lion Dog African Safaris, our mission. On packages. Lion Dog can custom design a safari package just for you. We can also arrange your international flights. And Bwana Mike, which means Mr. Mike in Swahili.
Shauri yako, endelo tese na wangu.